Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the Cornell layout now. Draw a left Q column about 1/3 wide, a larger right-hand notes column, and a summary strip at the bottom. Once drawn, label the page with date, topic, and source so you can find it later. Make sure to have a pen and highlighter ready. You will capture concepts in real time. Begin taking raw notes in the right column immediately, focusing on ideas and facts rather than full sentences. You continue by filling the notes column with concise content, main ideas, examples, formulas, and quick abbreviations. Once done with a section, transfer critical words or questions into the left Q column to create retrieval prompts. Make sure to mark relationships with arrows or brackets and highlight only the essential lines so your eyes find them quickly. Periodically pause to condense long sentences into brief phrases. This boosts review speed and memory retention. You finish by writing a 1 to 2 sentence summary in the bottom strip that captures the page's core concept. This locks in meaning. Once done, use the Q column to quiz yourself. Cover notes, answer prompts aloud, then check accuracy. If recall is weak, make a quick correction, rephrase the note, add a timestamp or source detail, and mark it for review. One key troubleshooting tip: when confusion persists, rewrite the confusing portion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.